Madhurligara Namaskara and welcome to the 107th episode of Let's Get Talking with the artists and celebrities of Kudla. Madhurigla, hi, hello, Namaskara. Everybody who is joining in a big hi, hello, welcome to you all people for this live session of 107th episode, 117th episode of Let's Get Talking. Joy D'Souza, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Rachel Fiona, welcome. Sharal Ferrao, Shrikant Shetty, Aaron Gonzalez, Unicapture, Sonal Salana, Kristen D'Souza, Madhurigla, hi, hello, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Everybody who is joining in a big hi, hello, welcome. Arnit Kuello, Mr. Rajit 94, Jason Lobo, Nitin MR. Raju, welcome to Let's Get Talking all the way from Dubai. Nitin MR is joined in. Welcome Manasi, welcome. Shrikant Shetty, Namaskara, Irene Cholla, Ranger, Sosha Pinto, welcome to Let's Get Talking. And directly let me move to introduce my today's guest. She is a content creator, the owner of the event venue Riverdale in Mangalore. She is the biggest star in TikTok, has more than 240k followers in TikTok and also more than 10k followers in Instagram. She is none other than Flanny D'Souza. She will be joining us soon. This Jack D'Silva, welcome. Waiting for Flanny. Yeah, so even I'm waiting for her. Sonal Saldana, hi, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Namaskara, Anner Nitin, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Brand, welcome. And let's not waste any time and let's welcome Inita Ankal to Let's Get Talking. Flanny, so let's welcome her. Nitin Shetty, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Fancy Korincha Yogi. Okay. We have our guest Flanny.
Hi, DJ
Welcome to
Bobby.
Let's
Hi.
Get. Hi, welcome.
Welcome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much
So,
for inviting me to your show.
yeah, it's our pleasure to have you in our show. It's it's our big pleasure to have you in our show. So, first of all, welcome to the 117th episode of Let's Get Talking.
Thank you so much. First of all, congratulations. It's 117th episode. So thank you so first of all, thank you so much for inviting me on your 117th episode, and congratulations to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And you have lots of your fans joining in, your friends joining in. So if you want to say hi, hello to them, you can, like, this is your time.
Hi,
Aram se
everybody.
Sangeeta.
Hi, Mama. My mom is here. Hi, Mama. Hey, Sandy. Sandy is calling me celebrity. In fact, he is a celebrity. Fihu, Ashlyn. Hi, Antabai. Hi, Sosi. Hi, Fatih. Hi, Avan. Yeah, I feel Bachpe, hi, Kilad bro, hi. I feel so nice to see them because the people I interact with them every single day on TikTok live, and I for the first time, because it's very rare that I go live on Instagram. So it feels so nice to hi Choti, hi PP, hi Choti, PP. Everybody's here. Hi P.
Okay, you have Sheetal telling, hi, beautiful Flanny, it seems.
Pihu, hi Pihu, hi.
Hi, dear Simplia. Suraya is telling, hi, dear Simplia.
Hi, Suraya, hi, Suraya.
Brand Sequer is telling, Namma Lek Padge, Akalal hi Padge.
Hi, who is that? Brian Sequera. Hi, namaste.
Vanasanda, Bachpe one is asking, Vanasanda.
Yeah, that's my killer bro. Yes, Vanasandi. Biryani click.
Oh, posh mare, biryani. Okay, so she is telling, Flanny is the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rachu.
Okay, so,
thank you.
Okay, Pranit is here. Dubai weekend again. Weekend itne tar kai ki kiri. Janar la kai ki janar la Flanny full busy ate. Anja. Dubai itne kini. Let's get talking. So let's move to my show. TikTok star ke. Fatih Sheikh is telling TikTok star.
Thank you, Fatih. Thank you.
Okay, so let's move to my let's get talking start. Let's get talking. Khali pater no matra namma. But still, you are a TikTok star right now. 240k followers in in TikTok, more than 10k followers in Instagram. How does that feel, being a content creator? How do you feel?
It feels great. Trust me, it really feels great. I'm happy that I stepped into TikTok, and it gave me recognition. It gave me people started noticing me. It really feels nice, and I feel happy that I have a platform here to showcase our talent. Because what happens when we are here in the Gulf, we don't usually
Yeah.
get any kind of entertainment. Okay, so there's lack of
Correct.
entertainment. It's only weekend. But
Yeah.
here with this platform TikTok, we have something where, like, it de-stresses us every single day. It makes us feel beautiful with some beautiful comments, and it has made us feel very strong.
Okay. So initially, when did you start it? Like I'll get into TikTok or I'll get into Instagram to create content, influence people. How did you initially start it?
Okay, so how it started was thanks to lockdown. That's where I started my journey of
Yeah.
TikTok. My family, that is my biggest supporter, Fame Artist, and Ronan, and my mom. Okay, so a big credit goes to Faye, because she was the one who was like, no, you need to, because she used to do TikTok videos, and I had no idea what TikTok was. So that is where it all started. And I did not know how to use this application. I learned how to do lip sync, and then slowly how we could create own content, own voice videos. I started my journey on the 12th of April 2020. So
Okay. So it is 1.5 years till now, and right now in 1.5 year, ಇರೆಗ್ 240K follower ಉಳ್ಳಿರ್. 240K follower. So congratulations on becoming the TikTok star. For I think in Udupi Mangalore, you're the biggest TikTok star, I guess, from Gulf right now. Okay, so you have Dolly is telling bye amma Ireg.
that is like I don't know, people, how they are.
Bye amma lepunu common. Bye amma. Bye
Common.
amma. Okay. Jay Carter is telling you, proud of you. Jay Carter
Thank
is.
you, bro. Thank you.
Okay. Jay is telling again, Flanny is looking gorgeous, it seems.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Rachana Rajiv is telling 1.5 years, great improvement.
Yes, it's nice. I mean, we all are like a family. We have a family of friends where we support each other, and it really feels nice that, even though we are far from our hometown, because of TikTok, we feel like we're in Bangalore. We get to interact with people from Bangalore, so it feels really nice.
Correct. Yeah. Joyce D'Souza, 1.5 grade. She's a star because she supports talent. Sosha is telling. Sosha.
Thank you, Sosi. Thank you.
Okay. She is telling she's a star because. Okay. Thoda Hindi bolo.
Thoda Hindi bola, because I have like all because
Hmm.
my followers are from different places like Pakistan and all of that. It's international followers, so that's how they're asking. He's one of the guys asking. On a Monday, I can't see the comments, so I'll have to I have to bend my head like this.
No, he's also from Dubai and he has got time. And ಆ ಜನದಲ್ಲ ದುಬೈ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಯಾರನ್ನ
Dubai.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಂಡ್ಯ ದುಬೈ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಆರ್ ದುಬೈ ಶೇಖ್ ಹೆಂಗ ಆನಾರ ದುಬೈ ಶೇಖ್ ಲೆಪ್ಪನ್ he's one of my friend and he's like from day one episode he has been supporting me till now constantly. He comes every day, like when I go live he'll be there. Okay. Flanny TikTok star Night Rider is saying Flanny is one of the best person in this world, it seems.
Thank you so much, Night Rider. Thank you.
Okay, Joy D'Souza is telling Isala Cup namde. Today morning you had put a post of RCB, right?
Because from the time I have joined TikTok, I have been only supporting RCB, and I have few of my friends who are in CSK, so they're like bashing me from yesterday, and they're like, no, this will see the spot because it's a fight match today. That's why.
Yeah, today RCB gonna win. Isala Cup namde. CSK ini mannu murkudu. Is CSK bonding. Ini RCB. Daad itnala RCB ini.
But there are CSK supporters also. I mean, in my friend circle itself.
In my friend circle also there are Thala fans, Dhoni fans, and everybody are there. But still, we are CSK. No, not CSK. Sorry, RCB. We are RCB. Yes.
No, you read comment.
Okay, ನಮ್ದು ಕಪ್ RCB ಫಾರ್ ಎವರ್. RCB ನನ್ನ 10 ವರ್ಷ ಬಡಲ RCB, 20 ವರ್ಷ ಬಡಲ RCB. ಕಪ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಜನಲ್ ಮಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ RCB ಈ ಸಲ ಕಪ್ ನಮ್ದೇ. Okay, so we like in my this let's get talking, I have some rounds. Okay, so it's like it's a rapid fire round, then I have some choose round, then I have some never have I ever round. So can we quickly go there and let's come back, go there, come back. Okay, so first one is
Okay.
ABA CSK. This CSK RCB win apni sir tule RCB win apni sir dalada alla olulla allu olullage who is yeah.
Yeah, let's get started.
Okay, Dalton is here. Dalton, the Drift King. He's asking, "Hi, Flanny, how
Yes,
are you?"
yes, yes. No, Dalton, yes.
Okay, so let's go to my rapid fire round. Okay, that
Yes.
is called as. Okay, you have to answer quickly for some quickly questions and quickly answers. Irega answer ರಪರಪ ಮಲ್ಪರಪ ಮಲ್ಲೇಜ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಲೇಜ್ ಒಂದು ಇರ್ನಾನೆ ಶೋ ಎನ್ನ ಶೋ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಆರಾಮ. Okay, so first one is okay. The first question in our rapid fire round is, what is that one interesting thing you always have in your purse or your handbag?
Mobile.
Oh,
I
mobile.
can't live
Panda
with
person.
my phone. I can't live with my without my phone. I mean, I need my
Ah,
phone every single time.
okay. Okay. ಬೇತೆ ವಿಷಯ ಪಾತಿರ್ಲಿ ಸೋಪುನ ಟೀಮ್ ದ ಬಗ್ಗೆದೇ ಪಾತಿರುವ ಹೆಜ್ಜಿ ಇನಿ RCB ವಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
This guy
He's
is a
asking.
biggest
Okay.
fan.
Okay. Okay. So next question is, who is the hottest actor in Bollywood right now, according to you?
Right now.
Hmm. Or your favorite hottest actor?
I don't know. I like this. Um, I don't have any like anyone like my favorite as such, but Ritik is my favorite. I mean,
Oh,
I don't
all
know, all
time
time.
fan. Okay. Okay. So Ritik. Oh, okay. Hera is here. Hera is telling. Okay, Hera. Leah. She is telling Leah and
Yeah.
Heartstream.
Hi, Hera.
Okay. Yeah, ಎಂಕುಲು ಒಂಜಿ ಬತ್ತನು ಬುಳ್ಳ ಬಂದು ಬತ್ತನು. Okay. Now Dalton is Hera ಎಂಚೋಲ್ಲ ಮಂಜಪ್ಪ. Okay. Hi Marvin. Hi. Thank. Welcome to Let's Get Talking. ಯಾನ್ ಕೋಡೆ ಪಂತಿನ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Okay. ಒಂದು ಕೋಡೆ ಪಂತಿನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗೆ ಬಚ್ಪೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಬಣ್ಣದ. Okay. So next question in my rapid fire round is, okay, nickname your friends call you by. What are all the nicknames your friends call you?
Yeah, I have a lot of nicknames. So it is. Let me start from the past. So it's Leah. Leah is, I think, known by most of them. And I don't know. I have a lot of nicknames. Leah. I don't know. I have forgotten. Munna. My mom calls me Munna. Okay. Then my
Okay.
friends call me Leah. And PP. Naan inge PP kadiyodu. Yeah. Sosi calls me Pie. So see, they're
Okay.
only plan.
They are only telling. See, they are only telling. Okay. Okay. So next, you have lots of nicknames. Super. Okay. Munna Air Kohli Nage. Munna Air Kohli Nage.
In the office, they call me Senorita, Tina. Like my friends, it's a mix of names. That's all.
Okay.
Queen.
So they Encha would ancha lepuri. Encha apun ancha. And you take all the nicknames. Okay. So done. So next one is, who is that one actor? I'll give you option. If you would share the screen space with, if you given an option, Ranveer Singh, Ranbir Kapoor.
Ranveer Kapoor. I love
Oh,
that guy. So cool.
okay. Do you love Hrithik or Ranbir?
Ranveer, I think. But again, acting
Oh,
wise, it's Hrithik, the dance wise. But Ranveer, because I don't know, like the way he's taking care of the things, Deepika Padukone and all of that. So yeah, that kind of a feeling I have towards Ranveer. But my favorite actor, I stick to Hrithik Roshan.
okay. Oh, okay. Pujari 2409 is telling Vasu Malpege. Vasu Malpege.
Allah, Arvind Poddar.
All the Arvind Poddar fans, you have plan in the house. Okay. Okay. Next question is, what is that one thing that makes you feel that you are beautiful?
My smile.
Oh, okay. Exactly. You got
Just
20 points.
with a smile.
Okay. Done. Okay. What
I don't know if
compliment do
you
you
guys,
get the most?
what compliment I
No.
get the they say your smile is nice. That's the thing
Oh,
I get to very often. Yeah.
oh, your smile is nice. Okay. Okay. So she is telling, oh, Tina
Ah,
Tilton. Jay Cordres is telling heart again.
ow. Thank you so much.
Okay. Iti salat to duo connection Korea waranne video clear and waranne video clear and. Oh, iti salat baka do there is a network or what? Dubai network.
Like it's like how you have Airtel, Geo, and all of that. The same way, like you have Etisalat and Do.
Okay, okay. So in India, Jio, Ambani Jio, which is that Ambani there right now in Dubai?
Yeah, it's see I have both the connections. I have Do also. I have Etisalat also. Both are
Okay,
good. Yeah,
okay,
it's good.
done. Okay. So next one is, if you want to describe yourself, you have to describe yourself in hashtag. How would you describe yourself in hashtag?
Hashtag.
Yeah. Put a hashtag and describe yourself.
How many hashtags? Like okay, let me like
Yeah, yeah.
hash
How many you want? You can, yeah.
hashtag caring.
Okay.
Hashtag caring. Yeah, see, I'm going with this girl. Confident. Confident.
Okay.
Hashtag confident. Yeah, just
Okay.
two you
And
said.
one more. One more. One more.
Hashtag
See, you had one more thing. Smiling Queen itself.
hard hard work. Hard work.
Okay, hard work. Okay, done, done, done. Hi, my friend. Your video is very nice. Hausa is telling.
Hi, thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay. Munna is telling Black Tiger sleep.
Actually, Bajpayee has his TikTok account, which is
Hmm.
named as Black. They are having their own conversation there.
Okay, 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 okay. That is why I was like, incha, unpura da, anchi incha, I was thinking. Ako lakala tiya patarunde. Patarle.
Yeah.
This nikala tension puch. Patarle. Nikale. So, okay. So next one is, I'll give you a word. Once you hear that word, what comes to your mind? Patak, the mind, idada, apna velpanod. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So this round we'll do it in Tudu. What's it?
Okay. Done. Malpuram.
Okay, Malbuga. Okay. When you hear influencer Kennaga, what comes to your mind? Influencer.
Influencer. Um, Fashion.
Fashion. Now, TikTok.
Creativity.
Okay. Riverdale Mango.
Daddy. Dada.
Okay. Okay. Talking about Riverdale, you own Riverdale, a beautiful property in Mangalore, event property, Riverdale Mango. So how this actually started? Like should have a property for an venue, give it for the venues, events to happen there. So how did this all start?
Okay, so Riverdale, it's actually a dream project of my dad. Okay, my dad
Hmm.
who's no more. So it's actually near to my dad's place. So dad had a property there. So uh, I remember like long back we used to just go there and we used to just because it's by the riverside. We used to just party.
Yeah.
So one fine day, I think it was on my birthday itself, or maybe someday it was something. Yeah, during my birthday itself,
Hmm.
dad was like, why don't we just plan uh, a wedding hall, because we used to go to Goa as well. We had
Yeah.
visited one of my cousins' wedding, so that's how he planned it, and it's
Hmm.
like it's his dream property, you can say. So since now it's a wedding hall where you can have your wedding events, your rose, birthday parties, and all of that. It's a beautiful property by the riverside. It's in Jepinamuge.
Yeah. Yeah, that is a beautiful property. I have been also been there for one of the events there. It is a beautiful property out there, beautiful for the events. Amazing. Next, last time I didn't meet you there. Next time, I hope we meet there at the venue. Okay. So going back to this rapid fire round. Okay, that word round. What comes to your mind when you hear V Dynamites?
Dance.
Okay, Dubai.
Dream. A place where dreams fulfill.
Okay, Acting.
TikTok.
TikTok. Okay. Okay. Darling VK92 is here. He's telling hi, darling Sisu.
Hi, Viku. Hi.
Okay. Malicious Ferns is telling nice show. Good to know many people are nice show. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Darling VK. Oh, I right now came to know who is it. Oh, welcome to Let's Get Talking. He is first time because of he has joined in. So welcome. Okay. Next one is I will give you a movie name or a movie dialogue. It will be how like it will be in Hindi or English. You have to translate that into Tulu. Okay?
Okay. My Tulu is very bad, but yes, I will try it.
Tulut. Okay?
Okay, Tulu.
Okay. Pranit is telling, Maru Nirna Matmeda Party River Daily Dilege. Oh, when the Matmeda Party River Daily Dik. Done.
Okay, done.
Matmeda Party
Done.
done. Tule,
Date,
Arla
date,
Pandi. Anila Pandi.
date, pandu panle.
And date Panda, Nar deeper. Full planning organization. Okay. So, Tulu, this translate into Tulu. First one is, आप मुझे अच्छे
That
लगने लगे.
यंक ईर्न मित आप मुझे अच्छे लगने लगे यंक
Like, yeah.
ईर्न मित मो क्या हत्तंडु correct I don't know
Seriously?
हाँ सत्य
Okay. Undi limbe sir badredi dile. Next question. कुछ होता है.
कुछ onchur ఎంచిన ఉండుండు onchur ఉండుండు
Okay. Next one is कहो ना प्यार है.
పనత్త మోకే ఉండు
पंडिता. दादना उडल्ड कालागे ಒಂದು ಪೂಜಾ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ದೇವ. ಓಕೆ ತುಳು ಸೂಪರ್ ಉಂಡಿಗೆ
దాదన
ತುಳು
ఆపుండు
ಸೂಪರ್ ಉಂಡಿ ದಾದನ ನೀರ್ನ ತುಳು ಸೂಪರ್ ಉಂಡಿಗೆ.
thank you
Okay.
thank you so much
Okay, next last one undu. I will give you a movie name. It is Apna Sapna Money.
ಎಂಕ್ಲನ ಕನಸು
ಎಂಕಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
अपना सपना मनी अपना कनाट कास अपना सपना मनी
अपना सपना मनी. Full Florida Kaase Kaas. Sapnota Kaas, Kaitla Kaas. Okay. So next one is Marvin, you are very smart. This is see. These all questions are not written by me. I will tell you, these questions are not written by me. It is all written in the Barikorile. I buried working. That is called as research team. Pudar Ditanakalege. I will bury the working. Yanatawe. Whatever it is, research team. Yan Papa, the Yankari Wodun Matram. Away.
onchur apundu enchi napundi onchur
कुछ होता है. onchur apundu. ಎಂಕ್ಲೇನ ಕಣ್ಣು ಕಾಸಿಗೆ ಗುಡ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕಿ. ಓಕೆ ಒಂಚೂರು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕಿ ಅವಡಾಪುಂಡಿ ಜನ ಎನ್ನ ಕಸ್ಲ ಸಪ್ನ ಕಾಸು ಎನ್ನ ಕಾಸದ ಸಪ್ನ ಕಾಸು. ಓಕೆ ಎಂಚು ಬರೋದುಂಡು ಮಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲೋರಾ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ಲಾನಿ. ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಮರುವಿನ ಈರ್ನ ಮದ್ಮೆದ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ರಿವರ್ಡೇಲ್ ಮಲ್ಪುಕ ಪಂಡಿನಿ ರಿವರ್ಡೇಲ್ ದ ಪೊಣ್ಣು ದಾನೆ ಮದ್ಮೆ ಆಲೆ. ಓ ದೇವರೇ ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಚದಲ್ಲ ಪಂತಿಚ್ ಯಾನ್ ಪಂತಿನಿ ಬಂದ ಯಾನ್ Riverdale party the one. Okay, fun. It was okay, lovely. Okay, even my Tulu is bad. Irna Tulu bad is namalleji. Pura Tulu kalpo. You should. Okay, so next one is round one. Next round it is called as song round. Okay, padya mandina round. Okay, enamanda I will give you a situation. Enchoni situation garpe. What is the situation? Ah, situation kennaga. Flan you have to tell what song comes to your mind when you hear that situation. Okay, so first situation, then the first situation, it is like if you Kenaji, Yena Panda.
I can hear
Okay, done. First situation is if you become the world's #1 content creator. So what song? World's #1 content creator.
I'm the best koi hero yahan, koi something yahan.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So
मैं
I'm the
मैं
best.
कौन हूँ? I'm the best.
Okay, done. Okay, next one is if you get to dance or act with your favorite, Hrithik Roshan.
Okay. I did one of the dance, one of the video actually on TikTok which went viral, which is हवाओं ने ये कहा आई प्यार की ये रुत बड़ी सुहानी तू डरना ना ओ मेरी रानी. That one
Oh,
because I
oh,
love
okay. Next one is you are locked in a room with Arnab Goswami.
लिफ्ट करा दे ना 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 लिफ्ट करा दे.
Okay, done. Bhayankara singer marege. Joy is telling you Bhayankara singer again. Okay, so next one is you told about this like dancing, right? You were in V Dynamite. So how was this journey along with Vinod sir, who was the founder of Ocean Kids? He came there, founded V Dynamite. How was this working along with him?
Vinod Sikwera, I have a huge respect to him because, frankly talking, when I was in school, no, not in school, college, what I had this passion of dancing. So I used to
Hmm.
dance because my they had sent us to dance classes and all of that. But what happened was, but my father was very strict. He would never let us to perform on stage. Okay, but when I came, but he used to tell us that if you want, you can perform in school and in college, but not outside, like no shows and all of that. But for some reason, we were not getting. In college, I'm sorry to say, but we were not getting the platform because so what happens usually, like the teachers sometimes they want to choose only certain people and only those kind of people are allowed to go on the stage. So we were not getting that opportunity to to perform. We used to get, but not like like very small few minutes on the stage. But a huge respect to Vinod sir for giving me an opportunity to perform on stage with different celebrities. Like I performed with Shraddha Kapoor, with Sunny Leone, with Usha Uttab, and with a lot of singers. So I have a huge respect to him because he taught me from the scratch, like from the basic. He has taught me to to dance on stage. So I have a huge respect to him, to Vinod sir.
Okay, yeah, he is one of the person who has made Ocean Kids in
Yes,
Mangalore,
yes.
made
Founder
many
of
dancers. Yeah, and after going to Dubai also, he did not leave his passion. He has given us superb dancers right now from Mangalore. And right now, lots of, I think, in Colors, in Sony, in Zivia Singh, lots of people who are trained under him are there right now working there. So kudos to him. And soon we'll also see you in big screen, I feel.
Very soon.
Yeah, very soon. Okay, so I have one question. It is like, okay, are women complicated? What is your yes or no? What is
I'm
your
sorry. Are women?
women complicated?
Yes, they are. They are. They are.
Yes, they are. Okay, okay. You are the second person in my live show to tell yes, they are. Thank you for that. Okay, next, moving ahead. Okay, RCB will lose. RCB. Everything is right now RCB. I
Yeah.
have danced only.
I posted a video also on TikTok and even on Instagram. CSK supporters are like, I was seeing the comments and laughing because you should see one comment. I'm going to give back. I'm just waiting for the match to finish in the
RCB's
evening.
win. Yeah, RCB's win. We are waiting for RCB's win, and then he will be making one more video for all that comments. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I hope we dance together someday. Edrina is telling. Edrina Jazz is telling.
Yeah,
I hope we dance.
very soon.
Okay. Then I have danced only with Philida, but not with you.
Philida is my younger sister. She's here.
Okay.
She's
Okay. Then Mugutu Sundari.
Nakabari Bandila.
That was super.
Okay, I want to explain this. Okay, so Mukkutu Sundari is because I'm wearing a nose stud.
Yeah.
Nakabari Bandila because again, it's a huge shout out to the Badi community as well, because when I made videos in Badi, they made it viral. They supported me a lot. Okay, so that's why he's saying Nakka Badi Bandila, because usually people used to come to me and they used to talk to me in Badi, and I don't speak Badi. I learned this word Nakka Badi Bandile. So that's how he's saying Nakka Badi Bandilemba. Kya te padeda flan your omelette parcel, because the omelette video, it went viral with 42.1 million views and 600k
Okay.
likes on TikTok. So that's how he's
Okay.
teasing me.
Okay. But that line was fantastic. Khyati badta omelette parcel. Okay. Then you have, okay. Imran is telling, enna pudar pandle anna. Or Imran enna pudar pandle.
Imran.
Okay, yes. Okay, killer. Okay, Tamu. Okay, social. Akko. Bachpe is selling social, for social is selling Akko. Okay. So let's move to my next round is called as choose round. I have kept the name for that. Adu atava idu. Unda atava avu. Undi chandavu. Okay. So undi chandavu. You have to choose one. Okay, first one is Philida or Pinky.
Pinky.
Okay, Pinky. Soshi or Suchita.
Oh my god, this is very difficult. It's like you're asking you want right eye or left eye.
Unchu music badle. Music
I
badle.
want both.
Music
No,
badle.
no, no. I can't say. I can't choose. Oh my god. I
Unchu
need
music
both.
badle.
So
Music badle.
I will not answer to this. I'm very sorry, because I need both. I need Sosia also. I need Suchi also. I am very sorry. I will not answer to this, because both are my best friends. Both are my best friends. I will not answer to this.
Okay, uppada mukalla madde tu paadu barchi uppada akaliಗೆ budu bidutta.
Because I need both. I need both.
Okay, it's okay, darling. It seems. So she is telling it's okay. It seems.
Hi,
You
Asif.
can do this.
I
Okay,
don't
you
know.
should ask.
I don't know
Okay.
about him. Otherwise, I would have asked.
Okay. Uh, okay. Next one is Pani Puri or Sev Puri.
Save Puri. I'm not a Pani Puri
Sev.
lover.
Okay. See, so she is telling if you had
No, I will
said.
never do that. Okay, Edwin,
Okay.
I'm going to ask him this. I'm going to ask him this.
Oh, that is last test. End. Pura. Okay. Our bond is so strong that no one can break it. It seems. So she is
Yes.
telling. Yes.
See, because because she's my best friend, and the thing is, I haven't met her, but the bond between us is so strong. We have seen, like, even though like we know each other from last 1.5 year, she understands me so well, and I understand her so well. So that's her. Suchi is like, she's my friend again from more than 5-6 years now, and whenever I'm upset, I'll call her. She's also there, so I need both of them.
Okay. Bachpe one is telling neer dosa barundu biryani
Yeah,
barundu kala barundu.
chicken sukka. That because chicken sukka neer dosa is my favorite. That's why.
Okay. So I'll not ask that question. Our question again. Bharat cancel. Cancel. Okay. Next one is Sakil or Shadab.
What?
Sakil or Shadab.
Who is Shakil now?
Okay. I put the wrong Bharataran.
I got your. You're asking me whether it is Sadiq or Shadab.
Sadiq. Yeah. How choose spelling mistake?
Shadab.
Shadab. Okay. How choose spelling mistake? Ako lenna Bharatana handwriting kakke dalakon doctor barapirdu.
You have done a lot of spy work. Lots of spy work. I must say.
Avyana enna bariti. My bariti. Research.
I want to see.
Not me.
I want to see the guy who is there, who has helped you. Yer panle.
ತೋಜಾಡ ಮೊನೆ ಈ ಕಮ್ಮಲಿ ಮಿತ್ ಮಾಡಿ okay next one is bangude or butai.
Bangude with onion salad, yummy.
Bangude with onion salad, onion the salad. Okay onni kendrethani illa onni question kendrethani. Okay, so onion bandarata, love and onion are same, it seems. Why?
Because I think both make the person cry. It gets tears in the eyes.
ಯಾನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೋಸ್ತಿನ ಕೇಂಡಿ ಎರೇಗ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬೈ ಜಾಯ್ ಕಾನಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಂಡಿ ಮಾರಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಪಂಡ್ ಪುಜರ್ You're going for a correct. When both make us cry, when they you're buying karamare. You're full research adena general knowledge. Okay, next one is pulimunchige. Bangade pulimunchi. Okay, so next question is flats or heels?
Heels. Anytime heels, because I'm not tall and I feel very confident with heels. So anytime heels.
Okay, heels. Okay. Love for sari or love for dresses?
Dresses. It's my comfort zone.
Okay, then. Lipstick or lip gloss?
Lipstick.
Okay. Dubai or Kudla?
Dubai.
Dubai. And Kudla one. Okay. Okay. Date a celebrity or date a regular person? Simple, ordinary person.
Ordinary person.
Celebrity birchi?
Birchi.
Okay. Next one is practical person or emotional person?
Practical.
Practical. Okay, done. Okay, last one is and mugin. Ekkada chicken sukka bakka korretti mugin. Or chicken sukka na irna. I mugin abarch. Okay. So I almost finished my 2 rounds. Red round and so almost one more round is pending. That is called as never have I ever. I have that named it as untu athava illa. You have to, if you have done it, you have to say untu. If you have not done it, you have to say illa. Okay. So untu illa round. So we are going to the final round, and if you successfully complete it, yeah, you'll be getting a gift hamper from Let's Get Talking team.
Do I have?
Okay.
Do I have?
Yeah.
Do I have a hamper?
Yes. Yeah. You will be getting a gift hamper from Let's Get Talking, and you will be the 117th guest to receive that. Huh? Daddy?
No, my mom just joined, so I said.
Okay. Hi, Andy. Hi, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Chair pandu aaye, gudukku pandu pariye.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers pandu aaye, gudukku pandu pariye. Cheers by Jarba. Okay. Okay. Okay.
I saw somebody. I saw somebody who, when they were live, he just took a cup, like a coffee cup, and he said cheers, and burunk he drank. So I explained this thing to one. I said burunk. So that's how.
Sound effect undani katti valdu vaadukava. Burunk sound effect. Ade kattuvan. Edde dikkindi sound effect engaliki nalla. Sarnai burunk. Okay. Tamo cheers it seems. Appo cheers mandunle. Akalla. Okay, so we are going to our Untu Athavilla round. The first question in our Untu Illa round is, have you ever cried fake?
Undu. See, my sister is saying always. Undu.
Okay. Undu Attiya. Undu.
Undu.
Undu. Okay, Undu. We'll do it in Undu. Okay, done. Okay. Next one is, have you ever picked a fight with the random person? Yeah, random person. Sorry, but lade mallar.
Undu. Yes. I do that.
Yes, Sarthyatan. Like how many times you have literally?
See, what happens sometimes? Sometimes I don't know the person, but just because they are my, like they have trouble, my friends or somebody whom I know, I've just gone and given them right and left without even knowing what it is. I've just gone and given them.
Oh, okay. So you have fought with the random person. You have fought. Okay. Kavya iddara dosa madlikke heli avarige.
Oh God, Bajpayee
is like, I should have met him first before this show. If I met him first, right? Inita show to pura and dialogue.
Everything. You should have told you everything. I think Mervin, you should read Rachu's message there. She has something beautiful to say there.
Where? Whose message?
Rachana Sachdeva. Rachana Rajiva.
Okay, thanks to the fake ID. Who's fake ID?
So I'll tell you what happens. For example, I don't know. Thing is like, I'm not much active on Instagram as much as I am active on TikTok. But in TikTok, the easy way to take a revenge with somebody, for some people, especially for some uneducated puppies, what they do
Okay.
is they create fake accounts with weird names, like very weird names. I don't want to call out those names, and they
Okay.
just come and they some like some comments which make no sense. This is the way how they come and they take their grudge. Like seriously, does it even affect us? What we do, we just report and we put them in the block list, so they are resting in peace there. That's how we go to fight.
Okay. So those things about fake ID. Okay. ನೀರು ಪುದರ ಬಣಚ್ಚಿ ಫೇಕ್ ಐಡಿ XYZ ಅಂತ ಇರಲಿ ಒಪ್ಪಡ ಅಡಿಗೆ XYZ ಅಂತ ಇರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಇರಲಿ
ABC XY. Yes.
XYZ. So she is asking ಗೋಳಿ ಬಜೆ ಬೇಕಾ?
That is one of the fake accounts name, Goli Bajje Beka.
Okay. Uneducated duppy. Duppy. Our puppy is duppy. Duppy. Uneducated puppies. No, one more time. I want you to say that. You say that the way you said uneducated puppies.
Uneducated puppies.
One more time. On audience demand.
Bachman. Fatih. Okay, this one's okay. Here we go. Uneducated puppies.
Okay. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಓಡೋ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಅಣ್ಣನಿಗೆ ಪಾಪೀಸ್ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಟೈನಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು
puppies.
Okay. Mary is telling Flanny madam, my mom is a big fan. Even Malla fan ge. Avid baka enna fan.
Cool
Thank
boy.
you, Mary. Thank you. Undu boda voice. Voice.
Yeah. He has, like, he has recorded my voice, so he's asking.
ಕಡಬಿಡ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕಡಬಿಡ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ ಪೂರ ಕಡಬಿಡ್ಲಿ ಯಾರನ್ನ ಪೂರ ದಾದ ಪೂರ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟು ಪೂರ ಎಂಬ ನೀರು ಉಂಟದೆ ಒಂಚಿ ಮೀಮ್ ಅದು ರೈಟ್
Coastal vibes.
Yeah, coastal vibes. No. Okay, welcome. Who was your best friend in college? Shadab is asking.
I have, I'm very choosy or picky when it comes to friends. So I don't want to call out anybody's name because I'm not in contact with anybody of them. So let me not call out anybody's. I don't want to call out anybody's name. But talking about friends, I have Suchi, I have my sister, I have my Kavya, I have Fatih, I have Killer, I have Sosi, Law, Tina, J-Bro, and I told Sosi. I told. And my mom. We can put the light, no? Yeah, Dose. Kavya is my brother-in-law's sister. So we keep teaching each other. Dose Mada, and all of that.
Okay, done. Okay, so next, round the next question it is. Okay, have you ever got dreams of ghost?
Hey, Marvin, Surutu onji radu Surutu onji radu unkai pata undungi. ಎಂಚಿನ ಇರ್ನ ಲೈವ್ ಬಿನ್ನರ್ ಬೈದೇರ ಒಂದು ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಲೈಜಿ ದಾಲ ಕೊಟ್ಪು ಜರಿ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್
ಚೂರಂದ್ಲೆ ಇರಗಿನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇರಗಿ ಎನ್ನ ಲೆಕ್ಕಡು ಒಂಜಿ ಮಲ್ಲ ಬಾಟ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬಾಟ್ಲಿ ಅವು ಬಾಟ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಮಲ್ಲ ಬಾಟ್ಲಿ ಇರಗಿ ಅವೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಸ್ ಇದು ಮಲ್ಲ ಬಾಟ್ಲಿ ಇರಗಿ ಮಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಈದ್ ಬಾಟ್ಲೆ ಒಂದು ಐದು ನೀರು ಬಾಟ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಈದ್ ಬಾಟ್ಲೆ ನೀರು ಬಾಟ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಐಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್
Don't say that. My sister sent a lot of fruits for you. See here, not for you.
Oh, thank you.
You should say on
Okay. So, ಗೋಳಿ ಬಜೆ ಟೀ ಆಂಡ್ ಆಗೆ ಗೋಳಿ ಬಜೆ ಟೀ ಆಂಡ್ ಆಗೆ ಗೋಳಿ ಬಜೆ ರತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ತಿಂದರ ಇದು ಸ್ಟಕ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೋಲರ್ hello testing mic testing
No, because what is happening when people are, I think, going live, I'm getting the notification. So when the notification is on, it's getting freeze. The screen is.
Okay. ಮೂಲು ಬೊಂಡ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಲ್ಪೊಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಮುಲ್ಪ ಬೊಂಡ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಲ್ಪೊಲಿ ಆರಾಮ ಬೊಂಡದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ Napoli. Mervin is the peg maker in his group, I guess. You got 20 points. Adega upachi, adega upade, adega upada, adega upade. Tire kartan 20 points man karta ho tire. Okay. Next one is, have you ever got dreams about ghost? Bhuta da kana burdanidi.
Yes, 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 yes. I have got. I keep getting. I mean, but I think everybody, for that matter, gets dreams. I think at least once in a lifetime.
Waranne
Yes,
current la banta. Inja
untu, 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 untu,
waranne lakadu burdara be banta. Inja.
untu, untu.
Undu. Okay. Done. So next one is, have you ever danced on the table?
Yes, untu.
Okay. Done.
I had gone for one of the event, and Sunny Leone was there. I saw her, and I was like so happy. I went on the table. I wanted to see her, and I was dancing. Yes, I've done that.
Okay. Done. Have you ever lied to your best friend?
Untu. I think everybody does. Yes. Sorry,
Okay.
guys. I have.
Done. Okay. ಪಾಪ ನಿಗಳ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಪುರ ಏರ್ಪುರ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಅಕ್ಕಡೆ ಪುದರ್ ಪಂತೀರಿ ಅಕ್ಕಡೆ ಪುರ ನಿಕುಲು ಎಂಡ್ಲೆ ಅದು ಯಾಪ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಬಂತೀರಿ ಯಾಪ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಬಂತೀರಿ ಪುರ ನಿಕು ಪುರ ಎಂಡ್ಲೆ ಅವೆ ಯಾಪ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಬಂತೀರಿ ನಿಕಲೆ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಬಂತೀರ. Next one question is, okay, you have Soshi telling us she dance everywhere it seems.
Yeah, I will dance. Yeah, she's right.
Okay.
Love that.
Sanal is saying, hi Flanny, hi Mervin. Hi,
Hi,
welcome,
Sana.
welcome. Hi Sanal, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Okay, next one is, have you ever peeped into your friend's phone while he or her was texting or WhatsApping or Instagram DM malpunara?
I think long back, but recently, no, I haven't done. Maybe years back, but not now.
And right now we are not peeping up. என்ன ಬರೀತೆ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ என்ன ಬರೀತೆ ಯಾನು ಮೊಗಲೆ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಗಲೆಗ್ಲ ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ಕಡಬಡ ಇಂಚ ಬತ್ತುಪ್ಪಿ ಇಂಚ ಏರೆ ಕಡಬುಡ್ಡು ಬಂದು ಅಂಚಿನ ಕುಲ್ಲುಲ್ಲೆ ಇಂಚ ಬತ್ತುಪ್ಪಿ. ಫ್ಲಾನಿ ಈರ್ನ ಪಿರೋಡು ಬಸಲದ ದೊಂಪ ಬಾರಿ ಸೋಕೊಂಡು ಒಂಜಿ ಕಟ್ಟು ಬಸಲ ತಿಕ್ಕುವ
ಮನೋರಿಲ್ಲ ಉಂಡೆ ಮನೋರಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊರ್ಪೆ
ಬಸಲದ ದೊಂಪಲ ಮನದ ದೊಂಪ ಒಟ್ಟ ಬರ್ದಿನ
ಎನ್ನ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಊರುಡು ಬಸಲಿದ ದೊಂಪುಡು ಮಿತ್ತ ಮನೋಲಿದ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ರೀಪರ್ ಅವಲ ಪಾಡ್ವೆ ಕೊರ್ಪೆ 8 ಕಿಲೋ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಬನ್ಲೆ
ಬಸಲ ದೊಂಪ ಮನೋಲಿ ದೊಂಪ ಒಂತೆ ತೌತದಲ್ಲ ಪಾಡ್ಲಿ
I don't open anybody's. No, I'm replying to Sosi.
She said, I won't open my front. Okay, so next question is, have you ever pretended to laugh on a joke which you never got? Our joke panne gottidu channel beta cheltare panne telti.
Untu.
Okay. Mere bachpe free to borodige basala dampadalla manulilla basalalla manalla free to borodige.
Free korka.
Okay, last one is, have you ever bargained anywhere? Shop davadu, meen dar davadu, tarkari dar davadu.
Untu. Every time I bargain. Like everywhere and anywhere, I have to bargain. I will. Okay. And I have.
In India, bangude nudek 4 rupaye, nudek 3 rupaye. In Dubai ettu nudek bangude.
We don't cook at home. Most of the time it's outside. So I've not done grocery shopping since long, especially fish. Kavya, esta? I don't know.
Okay, so pura Kavya is very important.
Kavya.
Okay. So Endala, let's get talking the final round, and that is Untu Illa round, and you successfully completed my Untu Illa round, and congratulations, you are the proud gift winner. Gift
hamper. I need a hamper. Because
Dubai.
Coffee with Karan. Karan gives a hamper. It's a beautiful hamper. So even I also want a beautiful hamper.
Coffee with the Karan ito in chopunade beautiful hamper opunade. Enkal avete double upon. Irna ide courier avakondule. See the Dubai courier apni illa.
Oh, DJ Mervin include Dubai the irna show baida.
And Dubai gift hamper. Ire panne enu vendar kelidije.
Irek karjura bakka, what to say for sand? Poye korpaye enklena marubhumi imported poye bakka.
ಅವು ಇರ್ ಇಂಚ್ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಪಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮುಲ್ತದ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಪ ಫುಲ್ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಪರ್ ಪೂರ ಬಂಗುಡೆ ಬೂತಾಯಿ ಪೂರ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅವೇ ಫುಲ್ ಅವೇ ಕಟ್ಟದ ಕೋರಿ ಪೂರ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಫುಲ್ ಫುಲ್ ಓಕೆ ಇಂಚ ಬಂಡ ಇನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಇನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಭಯಂಕರ ಉಂಡಾಯಿ ಬರಿತೇವೆ ಭಯಂಕರ ಉಂಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮುಟ್ಟ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮುಟ್ಟ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬತ್ತಿ ಗುಂಡೆ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಒಂಜಿ ಓಪನ್ ಪುರ ಮಾಡ್ತದ ಒಂಜಿ ಅನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಪುರ ಮಾಡ್ತದ ಒಂಜಿ ಪಾಡ್ಲೆ ಅವೇ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಓಕೆ
Okay. Done.
ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಓಕೆ ಇರೇಗ್ ಆರ್ಪಾಡು ಯಾನಿನಿ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ತಿನ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಪಂಡ್ಲೆಗೆ ಬಚ್ಚಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ
Ayo, I will not sing that song. Hoga Nino. I did one. I actually. No. If
ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಉಂಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಉಂಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಫುಲ್ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಇವರು ಒಂದು
Sosi T, should I sing? Adu.
ಯಾ
Sonda
ಹೇಳಿ
I forgot. Enta starting. ಸೊಂಟದ ವಿಷಯ ಬೇಡವ ಶಿಷ್ಯ ಸೊಂಟಕ್ಕೆಂತ ಕನೋ ಗುಂಡಿನ ರಹಸ್ಯ ಸೊಂಟ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಬಾರಿ ಡೇಂಜರ್ ಸೊಂಟದ ಆಸಪಾಸ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉಷ್ಣ. So, this was a song I sang once and these people like he screen recorded that.
ಅದೇ ಅವೇ ಸೊಂಟದ ಆಸುಪಾಸು ಇನ್ನೂ ಡೇಂಜರ್ ಅಂತ ಬದಲಾಗಿ
ಉಷ್ಣರೇ
ಒಂಜಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಬೋಡೆ ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್ ಸೊಂಟದ ಆಸುಪಾಸು ಎಲ್ಲ
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮರ್ವಿನ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೆಂತ ಮಾಡುದು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬೊಂಡ ಅದು ಉಷ್ಣ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೊಂಡ ಕೊಡುದು.
ಹೌದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೊಂಡ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಬೊಂಡ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೊಂಟದ ಆಸುಪಾಸು ಇದ್ದವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಬೊಂಡ. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್. Okay, Cici, Mervin has grown up the best person. He's a great. Oh, thank you, Lester. Thank you so much. Okay, sing. Ponodale. Or sing malde irtale. Sing malde baka even fans ule. She full. Everybody is full jigga. Even fans. Okay. So, Flani, ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ರಿ ಈ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ ಹಾಗೆ? ಅರೆ ಟೀನ್ ಅರಪಲಗಳು ಪಾತ್ರ. Okay. So, ಆಯ್ತಾ TikTok ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ನೆತ್ತ ಈ ಸಾಂಗ್.
Baka, you know, they will, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I understood. Okay. So, itadada pandeng almost and let's get talking the ending mutuda. Almost we are in the end of this live section. Right now, if you want to tell anything, idada pandre itna ire panodu. This is all your time. Yakadante yan panadu ite yan padri yan ire panadu. This is your time.
First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me an opportunity to come in your live session. It really feels good. And to all my followers, whoever is watching me, please do support him. He is one of the talented hosts I've come across on Instagram. DJ_Mervin is his username. So please do follow him. Follow him on Instagram. And if in case you have any of your parties or events coming up, I think he's also an MC or DJ.
DJ.
Okay. So if you want to make your event a successful one and you want to dance to some lovely baila songs, I'm sure he has entertained us for 1 hour with his humor and you know he's the best I feel. So if you're looking for a DJ, all my friends, if you have any birthday parties, weddings or any functions coming up, contact him. I think he is going to rock your show. And to the younger generation, whoever is watching me today, please note, use social media is right now the trend which is going on, so make use of it, okay? Because this is a platform where you can grow, and in this journey of social media, you will have a lot of hurdles coming up. You will see a lot of hate, negativity. Take it as a thing to make yourself strong and come up in your life. And to the people who are making fake accounts, please stop it, because you know there is no cure for jealousy. Instead, focus on yourself and let others grow, and love your parents. Whenever you're taking any decision in your life, please, I keep telling this every time, please leave it to your parents. Let they decide for you what is good and what is bad when it comes to selecting a partner in your life. So that's it.
Okay, whatever right now you said, that is actually fantastic what you said. And once again, I
Actually,
like to thank you. Yeah, I like to thank you. It's our pleasure. Seriously, it's our pleasure to have you. I asked you, and last week, we were to and I suppose we had last week. Last week, schedule malditta. We had our schedule last Friday.
yes.
So due to some last minute event, I got it. So we had to reschedule it, and you readily agreed. And you said, "Marvin, nami kada kariya? Kind tension na tu sang kada unnu." And you read, thank you for that, and thank you so much for being in this live session. It was like awesome, like super entertaining with you. And there are lots of comments coming your way when you were talking. There are lots of comments. Okay, okay.
Wait,
Super
wait,
host, thank
uh,
you.
DJ Mervin,
Yeah,
DJ Mervin,
fun.
I'm gonna stop.
Uh,
Stop. Now,
yeah.
before you take this show further, I have certain few things for you. So I want to know
Okay.
about you. Where are you from, and what made you to start this profession? I do not know whether you're a, like, I think you're a DJ by profession also. I think, right?
Yeah,
So what
yeah, yeah.
inspired, or like, what made you to start DJing?
Okay. Me to start DJ, you're asking? Start
Yes.
DJing. Yeah, start DJing in the sense I started way back in 2007. I had that interest for music out there, and I saw many of playing music for the wedding events, and I got inspired by that. Even I can say by the live band also got inspired, and I wanted to play music for the events. Slowly that turned slowly one by one. I started giving into it, and in 2007 I started it, and slowly I was like in my graduation, and that slowly graduation ಪೊಕ್ಕಡೆ ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮೂಲೆ ಇತ್ತುಂಡು ಡಿಜೆ ಬಂಕ್ ಮಲ್ತದ್ಲ ಡಿಜೆ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದಿತ್ತೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದಿತ್ತೆ ಸೊ slowly it took over me, and slowly that passion drove me like you have to do this, and I went on doing it, and till now I completed 13 years in this field. So that day, one day, like I thought that decision I took one day, like graduation and inchala andala అయితే ఎదురు పోపి లెక్కజ్ 9 to 6 job in Kapuch. That was my thinking. So I started doing this, which was my passion. I turned my passion into my like my profession. Right now I'm into this.
So, like, what keeps you motivated? Like, because we know in between there was pandemic, and
Yeah,
during off season, especially rains, you cannot like, it's off season for you guys, right?
yeah,
So,
right, right,
how do
right.
you opportunity to grow yourself or upgrade yourself, or what do you do during that time?
Yeah, yeah. Even right now, after the pandemic, also we have lost lots of events coming with our way. Like right now, also we are not like proper event start average. Right now, it is not happening. But still, we have hope. One day, everything will go back to normal. For hope we have kept that hope alive. Like zata. So let's see what happens. And every day we keep updated ourselves. Whatever new song comes in, we go behind that song, get it done, and we are like upgrading ourselves. Even if we don't have events, also that music keeps us like drives us crazy. Like come to us, and we go there and we like keep our music upgraded. And when the events come, we are ready for it. That's it. That's a passion which keeps me alive. Passion and the hope.
Okay, that being said, can I request you if you could play a nice song for us? We have, like, I think around 39, 40 people watching us. Can you play a nice song for us? It's a request from me
Right now,
and
I don't have,
family.
no, right now I don't have any instrument right now here. Seriously, I don't have any instruments. If you have decided, if you have told me, I will like anditwe. It's a live one. Seriously. Next time I will send you. I'll send you a video of me playing, and I'll send you that. Send you a 1 minute video. I'll send you soon. I'll send you soon. Okay.
Okay,
If you have
so
told me, I would have like 100% played 1 minute while out here.
yeah, I would have.
Okay.
I did not think
Really,
about.
really sorry. Yeah, like don't have my setup here. It is like already packed, and the events in Jata. So I'm full band pura moisture pura on like cool Okay, so you have lots of comments for it. Okay, so everybody, one question I forgot to ask. One question, yeah, Lani, one question. This is a very important question. I skipped it. Okay, uh, you started doing your TikTok 1.5 years back. Started it. Right now we have 240K followers. Plus Instagram you have like 10K followers. Plus you are the owner of Riverdale Mangalore, the best venue right now in Mangalore for events. And plus you are also in V Dynamics. You did all these things just to come into Let's Get Talking about.
What? I couldn't hear the last part.
ಒಂದು ಪೂರ ಇರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ರೇನಾ
No, I couldn't get you actually. You're asking because I did all these things to come to this show.
Yes,
Yeah,
you got it.
Because I wanted to meet the legend DJ Mervin. I wanted to meet the legend, and I wanted him to question me. So I feel today my mission is accomplished. After 1.5 years struggle, I feel very happy. I'm with DJ Mervin, and I feel privileged that he's interviewing me. What time? What time?
ಅದು ಬೈಯಡ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಆಗಿ ಐದು ಪುಗಾರಿ ನಾನು ಬೈಯಡ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಆಗಿ ಬೈಯಡ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಆಗಿ ಬರಿತಾಯಿ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಬರಿತಾಯಿ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಒಂಜಿ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಫುಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು No, seriously, thank you. I simply asked this question. Simply. Okay, so really, thank you so much, Flani. Question ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದು ಪೂರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಶೋಕ್ ಬರಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. Thank you. Thank you.
One is क्या
Struggle.
जैसे से सब्र का फल मीठा होता है.
मीठा होता है. And ಈ ಶೋಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅವು मीठा ಆನ್. ಸತ್ಯ ನಾತ್ ಪಣ್ಣೇನೇ ತಿರ್ಗರ ಸುರಾನ್. Wi-Fi. Okay. Hello, testing. Flani, are you there? Flani, testing. Hello, testing. Okay, Flani, now you are breaking Kapil Sharma. Oh, Jimare. He is a legend out there. Namma Dalija. Namma Arnani dialogue copy hakun. Bro, here instead of Parvalli, the Kapil show. Okay, Kapil Sharma here. Arnante copy manpode. Marvin very smart say. Au banda chuchur manpoda apunate ancha. Did he wish Aaron's? Oh no. Pranit, I'll say him at the Panpanari. Say yes, let him be happy. Bye dandala ironji song bandle Marvin bye. Yan song banda niku ittina pura balpar. Marvin irna sonta bene sari ande. Ijappa sonta bene super host. Thank you Bajpayee. Thank you so much. It's there on Sizzling Cup group then yes. Marvin, thank you so much. Soshi, thank you. Can ask him to sing Mobile Day G annada division. Way to go Marvin. Best. Thank you Jay. Thank you so much. Shaima, thank you so much. Caesar Fernandez, thank you. Everybody, thank you. Okay. So Mervin bro is very proud of himself and now after a lot of comments. Thank you so much. Okay, we have Flani out here. Flani, Koru Budorchi. Okay. Bajpayee. Okay, love from London. Caesar, welcome to Let's Get Talking. Welcome. Okay, so we have Flani back. Flani, welcome back. Kenude?
I use a software.
Hello, testing. Kenude?
Disconnected one. Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, so Dada Vanbere Engolite Pula last dull and Let's Get Talking. So first of all, thank you so much, Batina. Let's Get Talking.
Somebody told me you are a singer also. Somebody told me you are a singer.
Yeah, I'm a singer. Mantana pura bulb irute. Ite janale we have like 42 people.
Yenka live but song sing malpede pandar ira. Itte ironji song sing malpele enkle koskara.
Yenk satya barpuji kenuji. Okay. Barchi and ipaga 145 janale ipaga 2 jana uri vare song sing maltana anja.
No, let's try. Try malpuka tuka.
Gonjila barpuji mare. Over. Chocobar unta illige. Chocobar the in story dada. What is the Chocobar story?
Chocobar, it is like Arabic to say I am fine. It is shakbar. So I don't know shakbar. So I don't know Arabic. I just few here and there words. So now on TikTok we have a new thing where it's like you can do it live and you have some games you can play with each other. So these locals, they teach us how to speak. So shakbar means I'm fine. So they teach saying chocobar.
Gitu gottane. Okay, ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಚ್ಚನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ನಡೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾಡೆಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Hey, only sing malpe. No, I'm waiting. Just one 2 interview like break the intermission देते नहीं.
Oh. अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिले है कौन सी, न हम मच सके न कहता है समथिंग. अजीब दास्तां है ये. अरे अरे बघा बारपजी सत्य बारपजी सत्य बारपजी अरे
Good,
अरे
good, good, very good. Let's clap
तुले
for
पोत जरते उल्ला रहता पूरा पूरा उल्ला रहता
sir.
पल्ली
Double 50 जन आए हमारे. See, 50. See, exact 50. You sang, and now we have 50 people watching us.
अरे कोहली ने हाफ सेंचुरी मार दिया. इन्हीं कोहली सेंचुरी हाफ सेंचुरी आ गई नहीं बोले.
Yes, RCB win.
RCB win तुले इन्हीं आई मुलानते इन्हीं RCB win. नाला केंड नहीं RCB win नहीं. Okay, Swanal una good for night. Ulla. Abba, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, so we are in the end of this live session. First of all, Flanny, thank you so much. And the live session it means a lot, and it's a pleasure having you. And you were like full on sportive with that. Thank you so much for being that. And wishing you all the very best in the future. Wishing you all the very best. And one day, content creator, TikToker, actor, dancer, anything. I see the myth full rise of the full myth. We wish that from our Let's Get Talking team. Wishing you lots of good luck to you. And one day, award for ticket on nothing. And then Janab Dilla.
In a live ready ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು.
And our live book, I would do my award ceremony in Chakai when the award was the speech corner, the award ceremony speech. Our speech when the last in the Pudar when did Let's Get Talking about it and
Done.
And Altra Ashwa Bokayan in Chai Puramuti Propandan. And Yana Son Yane Pugarni, Yella Pugar, the Reiki Yane Pugar, Yana Son Yane with the Divin. This is my good luck, all the best. Okay, so no, finally wishing you all the very best, Flanny. Thank you so much for being there. And the final goodbye, my fans, followers, friends.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much to all my family for supporting me, for being there with me during my good and bad days, for never giving up on me and always supporting me, saying be strong, be positive. Thank you so much. And before I go, I also want to tell you, if in case you are looking for a venue, like a wedding venue, open a wedding property, event property in Mangalore, do contact me, or you can follow our Insta handle, which is Riverdale Mangalore. And yes, let's make your event a memorable one. So we have the event, and also we have the DJ here. Let's rock your event together.
Yes. Yeah, together we'll rock the event. And thank you, Flanny. Here one thing so she is telling, ask Flanny to say bye everybody.
Bye everybody. That's my signature, like, you know. Hi everybody. Bye. Like Viper. Hi. Bye everybody.
That's the card the Viper money bonda irregular na de incha.
Incha. Hi everybody. Bye. Bye everybody. Bye.
Okay, so it was fabulous having you. Thank you so much, Flanny, for being here. Yeah, yes, you can say bye to all your friends, family.
Yes.
Yeah, bye. Yeah.
Bye, Mervin. Bye, Mervin.
Bye, Flanny. Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you. Take care and wishing you all the very best. Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Bye. See you. Take care.
Take care. Bye.
Yeah. Okay, that was Flanny with us. It was awesome having her. Super cool interview. So she thank you so much. And with me later on. Later. Okay, come here up on the live people. Up on the other one. Okay, when you get it, okay, Viper. Correct. Had lovely evening watching the streams. Thank you so much, strong people. Thank you, Queen Flanny. It's Mervin had the play. I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't mother problem. Okay, we have Yati Anna here. Yati Anna is telling, hey bro, must bro. Thank you, Yati sir. Thank you so much. Nice smile. Okay, Mervin by Bismillah Hotel Malpe. Bismillah. If you go to Malpe, do visit Bismillah Hotel. They have delicious food out there. Kebabs, the ghee rice, everything is delicious out there. Go try once Bismillah Hotel in Malpe. It's in the Malpe Junction itself. Song Super Undo. Bye everybody. RCB and RCB. Good luck. All the best. Bakon song. Okay, everybody who is joined in, a big thank you, Bachpe bro, super host. Thank you, Bachpe. Thank you so much. Your best moment. Thank you, Soshi. Thank you so much. Means a lot. Flanning in Dubai. Yes, your voice super, bro. And no voice super. Okay. So, still, thank you so much. Joy D'Souza. Bye, everybody. In account support Malparamand layer. Thank you. True stands. Thank you so much. Thank you. And Mr. Adabanda, DJ Marvin show ಇದು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬೇಗನೆ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಪಿನೈಟುಂಟು ಬೇಗನೆ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಪಿನ ಮುಂತಿಕೊಂಡು ಪಡೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಗನೆ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಪಿನೈಟುಂಟು ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ತದೆ maybe October 1st we will be releasing it because of some issues we could not release it. Maybe in October we'll release DJ Marvin show ಬರ್ಪುಂಡು ಏರ ಮಲ್ದಿ ಜೇಡ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬಲೆ DJ Marvin show ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಒತ್ತಲೆ ಬೇಗಡೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್ಸ್ ಬೇಗಡೆ every week episodes ಬರ್ಪುಂಡು. So till then, this is me DJ Marvin signing off. Good show. Sheetal Puja, thank you so much. Super host, thank you Bachpa, thank you so much. Quantity party, you already booked. You asked for your DJ. So yeah, thank you so much. And everybody, this is me DJ Marvin signing off. Weekend episodes in Mugundu. Apple Saturday weekend, but in Friday by there, Dubai the weekend by there. So weekend gammat malpale, enjoy malpale, and Sunday puda gammat India gammat malpale. And I'll be coming next week with another celebrity, another guest. Next Wednesday with another celebrity, another guest. Still, this is me DJ Marvin signing off. आधा मुट्टा निकल गम्मत मलपले निकलेंगे ना बढ़ाओ मलपले जो करना है कर लो भाई. आप निकलना नहीं विषय आते गोले बजे बंस समोसा चाय गोले बजे बंस समोसा चाय दिस इज मी डीजे Marvin signing off. Thank you, bye bye, take care. Hey ಶ್ರಾವಣ ಕಳೆದು ಶ್ರಾವಣ ಕಳೆದು ಬರ್ತೀರ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಪದ್ಯ ಬಂದಿನಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅರ್ಬತ್ತಿ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ ಎನ್ನ ಬೆಟರ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಶ್ರಾವಣ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದುಲೈ ಜಾಮ್ ಬೊಬಿನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶ್ರಾವಣ್ bye bye, see you. This is me DJ Marvin signing off. Everybody take care, see you. Marvin signing off, bye bye, take care.